Alright, guys, listen up. If you're ever tired of unskippable ads, I've got simple method that actually works. You just need to download one app called Brave Browser. You just have to download Brave Browser from App Store. Just go to App Store now, search here Brave Browser, and now you will see the first app on the app store. Just click on here and now install, and now see I have already installed it on my iPhone. Just click on here and now search YouTube. Now it will take you to the YouTube platform. Now click on any video you want to watch and you will see there was no ad
and green shades.
before the video begins. Let me show you more.
भाई स्विमिंग पूल दिखा
No ads.
पहले तो मैं कॉलेज पहुंचा
Still no ads.
फिर थोड़ी बात देना
Still
मेरे
no ads. And yeah, now all your ads are gone. It blocks most of the ads automatically. No need for YouTube Premium, just pure uninterrupted watching. Trust me, it feels more like old school YouTube. If this trick worked for you, hit that like button and stick around for the more real fixes, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.